Hello, everybody, and welcome back. As you can see, outside, got another round of storms coming through. Some could be severe. We don't know. So I'm conserving battery power. I actually have my work lights in the shop. They're on the trickle charger right now just to make sure that they stay up, and then I'll probably throw that trickle charger onto sorry about the noise. Trickle charger onto my other main battery for the main house as well, just to make sure that it's fully charged. But while that's going on, we got some inside work to do, so I'm gonna quit talking about it and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so today we need to start getting some hardware on some of these doors that we just put up. Hopefully you watched my last video on how I made a similar door to what I did before, but instead of using dowels, I used pocket holes and tried to fill them the best I could. But that door needs to go up and we need to get some hardware on it. So we need to get this stuff rolling. So let's get to work. right, guys, well, that's one door, maybe, done. Maybe not. Go. It's open. And shut. And locked. All right, one door down. Whew, that took a minute. All right, y'all, before I get started on this other door, just wanted to kind of show you what I was using here. I bought this. It's obviously from Irwin, not a sponsor of this channel or this video, because I bought this. Anyway, comes with the guide, kind of like a jig. It comes with two different size hole saws. Obviously, one is for the knob, one is for the back set, and then it's got the, you know, the nut and the drill bit that comes with it. And then it's also got this little guide here that you can use to kind of outline, you know, how you need to inset your back set. It did come with, you probably saw me trying to use it, it did come with this little short drill bit that I thought you were supposed to use to like go around there and kind of carve that stuff out, but it didn't work very good. So I just used my little kind of RotoZip tool to do that. So without further ado, now we need to get this door ready and get it hung. So time to get started on that. The door is up. I think it looks pretty good. Got the trim around it. Opens up. And shuts. So, pretty happy with the results. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for this. Sorry for the audio. I don't know if it's like allergies or something, but I got some kind of cough or cold or something. But, you know, even when you're not feeling good or you're a little sick, you still gotta get things done, gotta keep moving. So anyway, I'm gonna rest for the rest of the night, not gonna do any more. And well, we'll catch you on the next one. Later.